Understanding human emotions can be a fascinating journey. One of the most intriguing mysteries we encounter is determining if someone has feelings for us. Today, we'll explore the subtle and not-so-subtle signs that someone may have a crush on you. By the end of this session, you'll have a better understanding of the behaviors and cues to look out for. Let's dive in. 1. Increased attention. One of the most common signs that someone may have a crush on you is heightened attention. If someone is consistently going out of their way to notice you, engage with you, or make time for you, it could be an indication of deeper feelings. For example, they might remember small details you mentioned in passing, or show genuine interest in your hobbies and opinions. This consistent focus often sets them apart from others. 2. Nervous or unusual behavior. Another telltale sign is a noticeable change in their behavior when they're around you. They might become a little nervous, stumble over their words, or exhibit unusual habits that aren't typical for them. This is especially true if they're usually confident around others but act differently in your presence. The combination of excitement and vulnerability can often lead to this shift. 3. Physical cues. Physical cues can be very telling. These might include prolonged eye contact, leaning in during conversations, or mirroring your body language. People with a crush often find ways to be close to you, even in group settings. Additionally, subtle touches like brushing your hand or fixing something on your outfit can indicate a desire to create a closer connection. 4. Prioritizing you. When someone has a crush, they tend to prioritize the person they're interested in. This could mean rearranging their schedule to spend time with you or showing up at places they know you'll be. For example, they might join a club or activity you're part of, even if it's not something they'd typically do. Their willingness to invest time and energy speaks volumes. 5. Teasing or playful behavior. Playful teasing is a classic way to gauge interest while keeping things light. If someone teases you in a kind and humorous way, it's often a sign of affection. This playful dynamic helps build a unique connection. However, it's important to distinguish between friendly banter and behaviors that might feel uncomfortable. Healthy teasing should always feel fun and mutual. 6. Subtle jealousy. Jealousy can also be a significant indicator, though it's often expressed subtly. For instance, they might seem slightly annoyed or withdrawn if you talk about someone else you're interested in. While jealousy should never be overwhelming or controlling, small signs of it can reveal that someone values their connection with you and feels protective of it. 7. Frequent communication. Pay attention to how often they initiate conversations or reach out to you. Frequent texts, calls, or comments on your social media posts are strong indicators that they're thinking about you. If they consistently find reasons to connect, it's a good sign they're interested in building a closer relationship. 8. Compliments and affirmations. Compliments are another common way people express admiration. If someone goes out of their way to acknowledge your strengths, appearance, or achievements, it shows they're paying attention and want to make you feel valued. These compliments often feel personal and meaningful, setting them apart from casual remarks. 9. Seeking validation. When someone has a crush, they often seek validation from the person they admire. This might look like asking for your opinion on their outfit, ideas, or decisions. They value your approval and want to impress you. For instance, they might casually say, "What do you think of this?" or share an achievement hoping for your praise. 10. Lingering in conversations. Notice if they seem reluctant to end conversations with you. Whether it's an in-person chat or a text exchange, they might find ways to keep the dialogue going, like asking follow-up questions or introducing new topics. It's their way of savoring the connection and spending more time with you. 11. Using inside jokes or shared memories. People with a crush often create or emphasize shared moments to deepen the bond. Inside jokes, references to past conversations, or nostalgic mentions can be their way of signaling a unique connection. This behavior builds a sense of us that sets your relationship apart from others. 12. Displaying protective behavior. A subtle but meaningful sign is a tendency to look out for you. They might step in to help you with a task, defend you in conversations, or simply check in to ensure you're okay. These gestures show they care about your well-being and want to be a source of support. 13. Remembering specific details. If they consistently remember small but significant details about you, your favorite drink, a hobby you mentioned months ago, or an upcoming event, it's a strong sign they're paying close attention. This level of attentiveness often comes naturally when someone has strong feelings for you. 14. Subtly matching your energy. People with a crush may subconsciously match your tone, pace, or enthusiasm during interactions. This mirroring effect is a natural way of building rapport and showing alignment with your mood. Pay attention to whether their behavior seems to align with yours in a consistent and positive way. 15. Light flirtation. Light flirtation can be a key indicator. Whether it's through playful comments, compliments, or finding reasons to touch your arm during a conversation, these actions often carry an undertone of romantic interest. While everyone flirts differently, the common theme is creating a sense of excitement and curiosity. 16. They get quiet or shy around you. If they normally talk a lot but become quieter or more reserved when you're around, it could be because they feel nervous or intimidated by their feelings. 17. They want to share experiences with you. If they invite you to do things with them, whether it's watching a movie, attending an event, or trying a new activity, it may be because they enjoy your company and want to spend more time with you. 18. They follow you on social media and engage. If they're consistently liking, commenting, or interacting with your posts, it could be a sign they're trying to keep up with your life and show you that they're interested. 19. They make subtle hints or compliments. They might drop hints about how good you look, how great your personality is, or how much they admire certain qualities about you, without directly saying they have a crush. 20. They include you in their future plans. If they mention plans for the future and make a point to include you, whether it's attending an event together or discussing things that involve both of you, it could be a sign they see you as someone special in their life. 21. They share personal stories or vulnerabilities. If they open up to you more than they do with others, sharing personal stories or emotional experiences, it may indicate they trust you and want a deeper connection. 22. They laugh at your stories or complaints. If they consistently laugh or respond with extra sympathy when you share something, whether it's a funny story or a minor frustration, it shows they're interested in what you have to say. 23. They seek opportunities to be alone with you. If they try to find moments where it's just the two of you, it could be because they want a more personal connection and are trying to spend quality time with you. 24. They introduce you to their friends. If they make an effort to introduce you to their social circle or talk about you to their friends, it could be a sign they're proud of your connection and want others to know about it. It's always interesting to recognize the signs of someone having a crush on you. Whether it's through subtle gestures, changes in behavior, or just the way they treat you, there are many ways to tell if someone's feelings are involved. Remember, these signs aren't always a guarantee, so take your time and observe the situation from different angles. If you find yourself unsure, open and honest communication is the best way to clear things up. Keep being your awesome self and take care. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.